unboxing this little teacup set. So first I gotta open up. So first thing, so I got it out. So you guys right there. Okay, so this is it. So let's open it up and see. Oh, it's from an antique store, so it's antique, I guess. But it's so cute. Oh. Okay, so the first thing, it came with these. So they came with 4 mini plates. They're so cute. They're little mini plates. So cute. And I'm gonna use them for like my Barbies and stuff. Next thing, we got 4 like bigger plates for like pastries and stuff. Maybe. So cute. This is what they look like. They look exactly like the mini ones, just bigger. Well, they kind of look a little different. But yeah. And then I got 3 little teacups. So cute. Okay, I'm not gonna name them. This is what they look like. And they all go together. They're like the same colors and all that stuff. They're so cute. And teacups, so cute. And then what did this go with? Yeah, nuts. Okay, and then this little sugar. It's like you put some sugar in it, probably. At least I think. That's what it's for. And then this little milk thing, I think, is what it's for. And then, lastly, last but not least, the teapot. Like, you need a teapot for a tea set. And then that's all. Pretty cute little set. And so this is all that comes with it. So it comes with a teapot. It comes with a teapot, a teacup, 4 teacups, 4 of these like these plates, and then 4 of these smaller plates, a little sugar container, and a milk container. So it's all so cute. And yeah, guys, that's all. Bye. Mwah.